Financial year or fiscal year is the same thing. So let's see how we can extract that information from the dates. So I'm importing the fiscal year package or library. You have to install it if you haven't done that before. And I'm setting it up. I'm saying the start month is 7th. For your country, it could be different. So set your start month accordingly. If your financial year starts on 4th month, then you will set it up as 4. So let's print it, and it's printing it as FY 2025. This is based on the current system date on my computer. There are some more useful commands in this package. So for example, I want to see when is the current financial year starting. So it started on 1st of July. And when does it end? It ends on 30th of the 6th of next year, 2025. So that sounds good and easy. And if I want to print out the current financial quarter, it'll tell me that we are in the second quarter of financial year 2024-25. And then it'll also give you the start of the fiscal quarter and end of the fiscal quarter, the current fiscal quarter. So you can do that also. Now to convert your own dates into fiscal year, you have to import this particular statement also. From fiscal year, import fiscal date. With that, let's go further. So I'm going to create a date. So the way you're going to create is you have to provide the year, month, and date. So date equals fiscal date, year is 2024, month is 11th, which is November, and the date is 15th. So with that, we have initialized a date. And let's print it. It all looks good. So let's get the financial year or fiscal year information from this date. So we can say DT or date.fiscal year. It gives us 2025. Sometimes we need a better label for this. For example, I want to see this as 2024-25 or something like this. And to do that, we have to do some extra steps. So let us do that one step at a time. So let's print this fiscal year first of all, which is 2025. So I'm going to create a variable called start. So I'll take this date and put there and say -1. That will give us 2024. And the end would be this one, date.fiscal year. So if I simply print it, print the start and print the end, we get 2024-25. We are on the right track. So the last step is just to format it properly so that it looks good. So with using this command, within the curly braces, I'm going to put the start and the end variable which we created. So if I print it, I get something like this. Looks okay, but we need to fix the end. The end should only be the last 2 digits of the year. So if I run it now, this is what we get, and that's what we wanted. So I hope you found this information useful and practical. Thank you very much for watching it, and I'll see you in the next one.